have something a little bit different we're doing. We're building a computer, so a PC. This is going to be used to increase our chances using bots. We've been using laptops for a while, so this was long overdue. I'm with one of my best friends here, Edgar.
What's up,
so he knows a lot about this stuff. He knows how to build them.
What we got going on here is we got an i7. This is going to be his processor. We decided to go with 32 gigs of RAM. The speeds aren't that high, but that's fine. He's just going to be running a lot of stuff at the same time, so we decided to go with 32. It might be a little bit overkill, but it's better than to be sorry, you know. We just got a fully modular power supply by CORSAIR. This is a really good brand. I really like this brand, so I recommended it to him, and it's also 80 plus gold rated, so solid power supply right there. He's not really going to be loading a bunch of stuff on there, so we just went ahead and grabbed a 1TB SSD by SANDISK. I really like SANDISK's SSD, so we went with that guy. We just got some CORSAIR fans just to keep it cool. And then we decided to go with a graphics card also, just in case maybe some other time he tries to do some other stuff. Just something in the middle, nothing too extreme.
Yeah, not a crazy graphics card. We're not doing gaming on this or anything like that. It's going to be strictly for work. So exactly. That's what that's for.
Yeah. And then this is what we're going to be running his monitors off of. So he is going to be rocking 2 monitors. And then we just got an MSI motherboard that does some cool lighting stuff. And then for the case, I know you guys can't see it just quite yet, but we got the NZXT H500. Really nice looking case, looks professional, and he liked the color.
Black and white, just a classic color. So yeah. All right, well, we're gonna put this together, so we'll put some snippets of us putting it together, and we'll show you what the final product looks like. So like I said, we're gonna be running lots of bots on here, so we're gonna be doing some videos hopefully in the future of running cyber, all these different bots, and see what our success rates are on this versus like a normal PC, because we have good success on PC. We have for the past few years now, but it's just time to upgrade. Just time to get more viewing angles and everything, easier captcha clicks, stuff like that. So yeah, all right, we'll catch you guys.
Just quick rule of thumb, everything's in anti-static bags. That protects all the goodies from getting shocked, which is what we don't want to happen, because then that's a lot of money going down the drain. So whenever you're gonna touch like a computer component, always ground yourself. And what I mean by that is just like touch the metal part of the case. Usually they do sell anti-static straps, which you put it on your wrist and then you like lock yourself so you're always grounded this way, and then you have to push down hard and it'll click. Okay, and then when it clicks, that's good. I'll grab the other RAM slot. Okay, and now you might be asking why we're building it on the outside. Basically what we're gonna do is just test it on the outside while everything's outside and on a cramped case, just to verify that everything's working and that everything's going 100%. Okay, and then we have to scoot the motherboard a little bit so it goes in. And push down so it locks. Basically that's how it's gonna look inside the case. Very nice graphics card. We'll just throw on the cooler and then hook up the power supply, run this test, make sure everything's going, and then we'll start putting it into the case. Now we're gonna apply some aftermarket thermal paste on here, and then this is what goes between the heatsink of the processor cooler and the actual processor. Now you'd think just going ham on it with thermal paste, but in reality, all you have to do is just put like a pea-size amount. Like that. And then that should be good. And then that's what's gonna keep the processor nice.
We're about an hour and a half in right now, so we'll be done soon.
Alright, sweet guys, so basically we just got done about an hour and a half later. It's all set up now, it's up and running. Thankfully there was no hiccups along the way.
Everything went perfectly smooth, so we're pretty tired. It was a long process, but actually pretty quick for building a computer. But it was all smooth, everything's up and running. We got Cyber up on it. So we'll see you guys on the next video. So we're going to be doing hopefully some live cops, and then videos after, how to set up, all that stuff. So catch us on the next video. And super shout out to Edgar for doing this, helping me with that. So yeah, he's going to come up with a channel soon. So we'll give you guys some info on that. Please go subscribe, hit that subscribe button. I know this is a little bit different content than we normally do on the channel, so we thought you guys might like to see this. Just something a little bit different. I don't know if you guys run bots or into computers at all, but go hit that subscribe button for sure. Go check out our Instagram. I'll throw that up on the screen, and we'll catch you guys in the next video. See ya.